ready for that, because if I were you, I'd be like, come on, Rox, I need to get that pronto mucho. I hear that. It's such a great machine because it's going to do all the things that all the other creamies did, make you ice cream, light ice cream, which is like non-dairy ice cream, make you frozen yogurt and frozen custard for the first time ever. Yeah, you like that, Shoshana B? Also make you, in addition to frozen custard and all those goodness, let me keep going. I'm like, oh my gosh, let me get to you. Also, you're gonna be able to make sorbet and gelato and milkshakes.